So if you have 540 millimeters of mercury and you want to convert that to atmospheres, here's how you do that. We need a conversion factor. So we need a conversion factor. It turns out that 1 atmosphere, that's equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. That's our conversion factor. So what we'll do is we'll multiply our 540 millimeters of mercury times our conversion factor, and that'll give us ATM. So 540 millimeters of mercury times the conversion factor. And we want millimeters of mercury to cancel out. Since we have it on the top here, let's put it on the bottom of our conversion factor. That way it cancels out for us. Then on the top, we'll put the 1 atmosphere because we want to end up with atmospheres as our unit. So we'll take 540 divided by 760. We end up with 0.7105. I'm going to round that to 0.711. And the units, those are going to be atmospheres. That's all that's left up there because this is canceled out. We know we've done it right. This is Dr. B converting 540 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.